In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the IPTV Smarters Pro app on Android. This is a straightforward process that will allow you to access your favorite IPTV services with ease. Let's dive right in. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping this icon will take you to the main screen of the store, where you can explore millions of apps. This step is crucial because the Play Store is the most reliable source for downloading apps on Android. You want to ensure that you're getting the official version of IPTV Smarters Pro. If you are asked to log in, simply enter your Google account credentials to proceed. Once you are in the Google Play Store, tap the top search bar. Here you will type in Smarters Player Lite or Smarters Pro. As you start typing, suggestions may appear below the search bar to help you. This is a handy feature that speeds up the process. Make sure you spell it correctly to find the right app. This step is essential because the correct search term will lead directly to the app you need. After entering your search term, look for the official version published by TechSmarters or verified equivalents in the search results. It is important to select the official app to avoid any issues with functionality or security. Take a moment to confirm that the app has good ratings and positive reviews. This ensures that you are downloading a reputable product that will serve your needs well. Selecting the right app helps keep your device safe and secure. Next up, tap on the Install button associated with the app. This button is usually located on the right side of the app's page. When you tap Install, the app will begin downloading onto your device. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. This step is crucial because it initiates the installation process. After the download completes, the app will automatically install on your device, making it readily available for you to use. Once the installation is complete, you will see an option to open the app directly from the Play Store or find it in your app drawer. This makes it easy to access right after installation. Opening the app is the final step to begin enjoying IPTV Smarters Pro on your Android device. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. You can always return to the Play Store to check for updates or reinstall the app. This ensures that you have the latest features and improvements available. In conclusion, downloading the IPTV Smarters Pro app on your Android device is a simple process. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for a great streaming experience. Enjoy exploring the features of the app and remember that you can always find support online if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching and happy streaming.